Hey friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video I'm going to be showing guys how to cut up more lines or more shapes using one as FPDF. Now like we showed in the previous video, if you check this and try to run this gives you a chance to just draw a simple line on a Python kind of shape. But now I'm not going to do only that, I'm going to go further and I'll show you guys how to draw even just more simple and nice complex shapes, where you're going to draw like something like Ellipse and all those other stuffs. Remember, to do all those stuffs, remember we're dealing up with X and Y axis of our project. I'm just going to start from, not going to start from scratch again, I'm just going to start from here and explain this to you all. I'm going to mainly with my function define that and draw here. So here I'm going to set something, the width of this stuff on my shape or the line. I need to do something called, instead of just using line, I don't want to draw a line, I need to design something simple. Maybe pdf.shape, which in this time around we're going to be talking about a set the fill of this line of ours to be something, maybe the color of that given stuff to be something different. Like for instance, I may talk about red. If we talk about green, that's 60, 0, 0, that's green. And then let's try to put this little bit, good. And also I need to set one on us the line itself now, maybe the eclipse. I don't know whether I'm giving the right spelling. Eclipse, like that. Good. So remember the eclipse has which type of coordinates? Eclipse has 1 to over 4, and then you can give the color in which you want to give it. Like I'm going to try to give this, like maybe if I say eclipse, I want to give you 20. Maybe I also give you maybe let me say 70. And if I say maybe, I'm just trying to give it white for now. And then give that kind of maybe coordinate for now. And then I'm also set line width for the rate of the project again. So I'll simply say pdf.one set line, whereby this time around we look onto the line width for that given stuff. How big is it? Like previously the other one was 5. You can give 3 for now, so that we can have something more cool. You get? And then just try to maximize this off. Good. I'm also going to set one as the fill color for this time around for this coordinate or the next new line. The fill color I need you here. Good. And then the fill color for this, I'm going to just make this to be like maybe this was 60. You can change the color now a little bit. Maybe this is 0. I can change this one to be maybe 250 to be maybe really up to 255 to be red, and then I can leave that to be black, because we're not going to talk about that. Then talk of the I may also talk of the hack. I can also set the hack for this kind of project of ours. So since I already have that, I can simply say one was pdf.hack to get for us the real kind of those coordinates. I'm going to use 20. I'm going to be using 20 maybe. I may also use 70 for that now, and I may actually use maybe 40 for now. And now we need to give the PDF output. So I'm going to simply say maybe I need to know the shape of that given project. Let me just call it shape 2 for now. And down here I just need to call that to be shapes. So if I check this, hope there's no error again on our project. As now to be Eclipse. I think I made some mistake there. It's called Eclipse. Good. Eclipse. No, there's no Eclipse. I think I made a mistake. Eclipse. Okay. Hope. Oh God, what's wrong? Eclipse. Am I getting old, or my eyes are no longer seeing nowadays? Eclipse. I think that's a spelling. Ellipse. Eclipse. Okay. Ellipse. Let me check that again, if that's okay with us now. Oh Jesus. What to be to React? No, it's called rec, not React. Sorry for that. And then there, give that try. So I think you can just shake now. Hope you guys are going to get that. If you line to shake that, you should find some line, and that's it. And that's how my coordinates came up with. Now you guys, you can give up the real things based on how you want it. Now my clip's a little bit down because of the coordinates I have given into there. Remember, it is based on X and Y axis. Like for instance, if I give this 100, it's going to push it a little bit up. And then if I give this one here also 100 or something like relative 100, You get? It's going to push it up now. And if I save this now, try to go back on the project, give that, and then I go back in the project, try to give that there. We should get our stuff a little bit pushed and raised on that kind of format. So guys, thanks for watching this. Just plot that we are Ellipse and one-man's rect, and I hope you have really passed on one-man's X and Y axis and you have given up or given calling. Now this is it for now. If you find this really interesting, these are just some few lines of code that I've coded up with to come up with this simple Ellipse, like something like that. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you loved it. Thank you.